In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Samsung Calendar with Alexa. First, open the Alexa app. You will see a clean, user-friendly interface. This app serves as a central hub for managing your Alexa-enabled devices and settings. By accessing the app, you ensure that you have control over your Alexa features, including calendar syncing. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can find it in your device's app store. Just search for Alexa and download it. This is an essential first step to ensure everything works smoothly. Next, tap on the More option. This is usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. By tapping there, you access additional features and settings that may not be visible on the main screen. This step is important because it leads you to the settings where you can customize your Alexa experience. You will notice a range of options that can enhance how Alexa interacts with you and your devices. From there, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new menu where you can adjust various configurations for Alexa. Here, you can fine-tune many aspects of your Alexa setup. This includes device settings, account preferences, and more. It's crucial to navigate to this section because it allows you to access the features you need for calendar synchronization. Now, click on Preferences. This option is directly related to how Alexa will manage your preferences across different features. It's an important step because it helps streamline your experience with Alexa. You will see various preferences listed, and this is where you begin setting up your calendar. Next, tap on Calendar. You will be directed to the calendar settings. This is where you can link your calendars to Alexa. It's an essential step in this process because syncing your calendar will allow Alexa to manage your appointments and reminders effectively. You should see options for different calendar services available to connect. Now tap on Connect Account or Add Account. This will initiate the process of linking your calendar to Alexa. You may see a prompt that explains what permissions Alexa will require. This step is significant because it allows Alexa to access your calendar data. By connecting your account, you enable a seamless flow of information between your calendar and Alexa. Select Google from the list of available calendar services. This is a key choice because Google Calendar is widely used and supports various features that can enhance your experience. Make sure that you select the correct service that corresponds to the calendar you want to sync. This ensures that all your events and reminders are accurately reflected. At this point, sign into your Google account. A login screen will appear, prompting you to enter your credentials. This is a vital step because it confirms your identity and grants Alexa access to your calendar. Ensure you enter your email and password correctly. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to complete this step securely. Allow calendar permissions when prompted. This is crucial because Alexa needs access to your calendar data to function properly. By granting these permissions, you enable Alexa to read your events and send you reminders. You will see a confirmation screen once this is done, which reassures you that the necessary permissions are set. Now choose the calendar to use. If you have multiple calendars linked to your Google account, you can select the one you prefer. This step matters because it determines which events Alexa will manage for you. Make sure to select the calendar you use most frequently to keep your schedule organized and easily accessible. Finally, tap on Done. This action will save your settings and finalize the synchronization process. You should see a confirmation that your calendar is now linked to Alexa. This step is essential because it ensures that all your changes are saved and you can start using Alexa to manage your calendar effectively. With these steps complete, you are now ready to enjoy the benefits of having your Samsung Calendar synced with Alexa. You can ask Alexa about your appointments or add new events effortlessly. Enjoy your organized schedule.